We're about to go down to the Willamette Queen right here, do a little photo shoot and a little video action.
Hopping, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
This thing cooking, huh?
Yes, sir. Oh, look at, there's another one on the side. Dude, didn't some guy jump on that? Hey.
Captain Willamette, it's my honor to present you with your official captain's license.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Yes, sir.
Right there it says.
Here, let me get one like this, bro.
There you are, Mr. Jones.
All right, man.
Congratulations. You did.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. That's awesome,
Cool.
bro. Good stuff.
Sick.
I appreciate it. Sean? Is he out there? Is he out there, Sean? Is he? Oh, here. Here, let's go see if he's down here. Oh, look at that. Let's get you on this real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right on. Good to see
Yes,
you,
sir.
man.
Yes, sir. Good to
Glad
see
to
you
have you on
again.
board.
Yes, sir. Oh, dude, of course. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Wingman V and Jonesy signing off.
We mission completed.
Mission completed. Grandma was on board too.
Grandma's on board.
Yes, sir. You guys have a great day. Love you guys. Peace. See ya.
Later.